Hello student, today we'll learn about the second type of tournament, that is league tournament. It is also known as round robin or Burger system. In league tournament, all the teams are treated at par. Par means no special seeding, no seeding or bye. If bye has been given to a team, then all the teams get the bye in the tournament. So all the teams are treated at par in the tournament, in league tournament. League tournament is further divided into single league tournament and double league tournament. Single league tournament teams play against each other once, irrespective of winning and losing. So as the definition is suggested, so each teams will have to play once. I'll just underline this line, once, to each other team, irrespective of winning or losing. Whether he lose the match or wins the match, he has to play with each and every teams in the group. In double elimination tournament, each team play against each other teams. So I'll write it here twice, irrespective of winning or losing the match. So I hope the single elimination and double elimination tournament, the difference between the both of these tournament, I hope is clear to you. इसमें दो बार खेलना पड़ेगा टीम को एक दूसरी टीम के साथ, twice they have to play, और इसमें they have to play each and every team in the group once in a tournament. To calculate the number of matches in single elimination tournament, the formula is n minus 1 and divide by 2. N here is the number of teams, and in double elimination the formula is n minus 1. So if we have to calculate the number of matches, then we have to use this formula in single elimination and this formula in double elimination tournament. The next thing you have to learn is prepare the fixture. How to prepare a fixture in single elimination and fixture in double elimination. So here double elimination fixture is not in your syllabus, so we'll learn only how to prepare a fixture in single elimination tournament. So start with the method of preparing fixture in single elimination tournament. So method, we can divide the method into three different types. So first method is staircase method, second is cyclic method, and third is the tabular method. But this third method is not in your syllabus, so we will not discuss tabular method of drawing fixture in single league tournament. So we will discuss only staircase method and cyclic method. This is not in your syllabus. In staircase method, while preparing a fixture, teams are arranged in sequential and in stairs form. Second point is bye. No bye is given to any team. Third point, here we have to discuss about the number of teams. If number of teams are in even number or in odd number, there is no effect on the fixture. Fourth point you have to understand about it, it does not indicate number of rounds and order of playing the matches. So these are the 4 points you have to understand about the staircase method. So let's start with the question Take an example of 5 teams in a knockout in a league tournament, and you have to use staircase method to draw a fixture. So first thing you have to calculate number of matches. Formula is n minus 1 divided by 2. Here n is number of teams, so 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So now here 20 divided by 2. So 10 total number of matches to be played in the tournament. Now second step is to draw a fixture. So to draw a fixture, so first of all you have to write down the serial number 1. All the matches that 1 will have to play. 1 first of all will play with the 2, 1 will play with the 3, 1 will play with the 4, and 1 will play with the 5. So now you have to write here 2 because 2 will not play with the 2, so we have to write here 3. 2 will play with the 4, 2 will play with the 5, and 3 will play with the 4, 3 with the 5, and last match 4 play with the 5. So now you can, why it is named a staircase method, so now you can understand this with this diagram. So steps are there, so that is why this fixture is been called staircase method. Now discuss the cyclic method of drawing the fixture. So in fixture, if we are using the cyclic method, so one team is kept fixed, whereas the other team are rotated in a clockwise direction after every round. So in it, the teams, one team you have to kept fixed, and other teams are rotated in the clockwise direction after every round. And second point which you have to understand is the bye. If number of teams are in even number, no bye, and if number of teams are in odd number, one bye is given in the fixture. And third point which you have to understand is the number of rounds. Number of rounds, if number of teams again are in even, formula is n minus 1, and if number of rounds are in odd number, then formula is n here to calculate the number of rounds. So let's start with the question. Take an example of number of teams. ऑड नंबर लेते हैं हम लोग, 5 ले लेते हैं यहाँ पर ऑड नंबर की टीम्स. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप विच यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट इज द नंबर ऑफ मैचेस. Number of matches, we know the formula, divide by 2. So again number of matches will be 10 here after calculating. Second working note, it's a cyclic method, so we can calculate the number of rounds. So number of rounds, it's an odd number. So when number of rounds अगर odd number है तो हमारा formula क्या कहता है, जितनी भी number of teams है n equal to number of rounds. So 5 rounds is to be prepared here. And third working note के accordingly, number of byes, how many byes we have to give, it's an odd number, so we have to give 1 bye in the fixture. So let's prepare the fixture. According to the working note, number of rounds are 5, so we on the top we have to prepare the boxes according to it. So we have to prepare 5 boxes here for the number of rounds. So after rounds you have to start preparing the matches in the first round matches. First round, one according to that draw, we have in the working note we have mentioned 1 bye, so 1 will get a bye in the first round, then 2 play with 3 and 4 play with 5. In second round what we have to do, we have to make this bye fix here. and according to our system we have to rotate them in a clockwise direction in a cyclic method in such a way that one team will shift it one place at a time in one round. So according to that condition we'll make buy fix here. So 2 will shift up, 2 will play with one buy is fixed here, 1 will play one position down here, so 1 will come here, and 4 will one place up 4, and 5 will shift one place here, and 3 will place one place down. So according to it you can see it rotate in that way. Now we'll keep on rotating this cycle up to 5 rounds. After completing the 5 rounds you have to make sure that all the teams will get the buy in the fixture. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5, so all the teams get the buy and there is no repetition of tournament in the draw. So in the next we'll discuss about the next topic,